Let's get started with color grading your video. First, drag your clip onto the timeline where you want to apply the color adjustments. Usually, when you select the clip, the Lumetri Color panel should pop up. If it doesn't, you can find it by going to the Window menu and selecting Lumetri Color. Now, within the Lumetri Color panel, open the Basic Correction tab located near the top. There, you'll notice an auto button that you can use to automatically apply color grading to your video. It's a great starting point. I must say the auto color grading did a pretty nice job, but you can fine-tune it using the intensity slider. Personally, I think the high intensity setting looks better, but feel free to experiment and see what suits your video best. If you want to take it even further, you can adjust the contrast slider below. Just be cautious not to overdo it, as too much contrast might remove important details you want to keep. And here's a neat trick to compare your changes with the original look. You can click the checkbox next to Basic Correction to toggle your color grading on and off, so you can see the before and after effects. That's it! You've just completed this super quick tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy video editing, and see you next time.